Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. We're taking a look now at an antique Craftsman chainsaw, a 3.7 PS in really nice condition. Not a museum piece or new old stock, just a very nice, extremely presentable saw that runs great, starts easy. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Mister, stop that trap in your flap and start the chainsaw. Well, you asked for it. Really nice vintage antique Craftsman chainsaw. Starts easy, has great compression, a wonderful piece for your personal collection or use it at the camp. You can buy this now for only $174.95 plus shipping anywhere in the US. That's right, I didn't stutter. $174.95 plus shipping. Buys this saw right now, right on your doorstep anywhere in the US. What's that you say? But I don't live in the US? That's okay. We sell anywhere in the entire world. Anywhere in the globe you live, we will ship this chainsaw. Buy now, because when it's gone, it's gone. And it won't be in your collection. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.